Welcome to our Grooming Showdown. Today, we are comparing two of the most popular all-in-one grooming kits on the market. The Norelco Multigroom 7000 and the SHPAVVER 12IN1. Both of these products promise to deliver exceptional grooming experiences. But which one truly stands out? Join us as we dive into their features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to battery life, the Norelco Multigroom 7000 takes the lead with an impressive 300 minutes of runtime, allowing for multiple grooming sessions on a single charge. In contrast, the SHPAVVER 12-in-1 offers a much shorter runtime of just 90 minutes. This significant difference means that if you prioritize long-lasting power for extended grooming sessions, the Norelco is the clear winner. Precision is crucial for achieving the perfect look. The Norelco Multigroom 7000 offers micro-precision adjustments with 0.2 mm steps, allowing for detailed fading and shaping. On the other hand, the SHPAVVER 12-in-1 uses standard fixed guide combs, which may limit your ability to achieve intricate styles. For those who value precision in their grooming routine, the Norelco stands out as the superior choice. Both products come with unique features that enhance their performance. The Norelco Multigroom 7000 is equipped with Beard Sense technology, which intelligently adjusts power output based on hair density, ensuring a smooth trimming experience. Meanwhile, the SHPAVVER 12-in-1 boasts a turbo speed function for faster cutting. While both features are impressive, the Norelco's intelligent technology provides a more tailored grooming experience. In conclusion, the Norelco Multigroom 7000 and the SHPAVVER 12-in-1 each have their strengths. If you prioritize battery life, precision, and advanced technology, the Norelco is the better option. However, if you're looking for a more affordable choice with modern features, the SHPAVVER is a solid contender. Whichever you choose, both will help you achieve your grooming goals. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like